Monday, February 10th, and I'm going to be back on this CJ7 project again. I'm going to try and get the dash finished up today and all the wiring and stuff done. New harness to the rear, and take it from there, make sure everything works and button it up, get ready to do some driving, I guess. Anyway, let me flip you around here. Yeah, so here's what I got going on. I got to clean up this wiring and stuff that's in here. As you can see, it looks like a rat's nest. I'm going to put some wire loom on them and see if I can get everything tucked up in there and figure out a way to secure them up against the firewall so that they aren't hanging down underneath the dash when I'm done. I thought I made a video last night in the dark with these gauges, but for some reason I missed saving it or something. So anyway, I am not going to be able to do any filming while I'm doing this, so what I'll do is I'll get this stuff done, and then when I'm done I'll show you what I got going on and what I got left, and who knows, might be able to drive this thing by this evening. So anyway, I'll be back in a little while.
One eternity later.
Well, I'm running behind. Man, you want to talk about being a contortionist. I've forgotten that I bought a new rubber boot, grommet, whatever you want to call it, that the brake rod goes through. So I had to manipulate myself up underneath the dash and get that done. That took a little longer than I expected. And then I went to clean up all the wiring in here, and that took a lot longer than I was expecting. So, but I got it all bundled and up out of the way, so it doesn't look like a big rat's nest anymore. So I just got to get the dash back up in there, but kind of wondering what I'm going to do with this wire here. This goes to the GPS, which I mounted. This camera, man, I don't like the view it's in. All right, let's try that. Anyway, it's mounted up there, and then I have it coming across here and then down and over to here. And I'm thinking what I'm going to have to do is get this tucked in through this slot here, which really doesn't have any mounting or anything. So I'll probably wind up notching this so that it doesn't chafe, and then put maybe I'll put some shrink wrap over this and help protect it from chafing, and that might do it. Yeah, I know you see a lot of loose ends in here. Well, those are all items like radio and accessory power and stuff like that. Stuff I'm not using right at the moment. So I just got it all tucked up out of the way. So my next thing will be to get this dash back in here. That's going to be tomorrow because my back hurts. And I don't know. That's what happens when you get old. You know, you can't get as much done as you thought you were going to get done. Why is this not following me? Yeah. All right. It don't want to cooperate. So, still trying to learn this DJI camera. So, and my videos suck anyway. Now I did get this harness in to the rear. I gotta wait and put that grommet in right there once I figure out how much of this I still need, and then I can get the rest of it tucked up in there. Same with, so this is all nice and neat now. It's coming down through here, and then it runs up under this lip up here and back that way. So looking good so far. So good. Now I got to figure my horn out. The horn don't work. When I originally put it together, the first time when I put the steering column in, got everything hooked up, the horn kept blowing and it wouldn't shut off. So I had to unplug it. So I am missing something in here and I'm not exactly sure what. So I'm going to have to do a little research on that this afternoon. Oh, hey, by the way, if you wondering why I haven't been on Facebook today or yesterday, because I tried to set up an account for my Grumpy's Outside Garage, and everything looked okay, and then I got a message that I was reported for being a fake account. And then the next thing I know, I went to go back on Facebook, and I don't have an account at all. They suspended both of them. So I did an appeal, which was a joke because you don't get to write anything down or tell them anything. All they do is it's got like a camera. They uses a camera on your PC or your phone, and you have to turn your head slowly back and forth like this so they can look at you, I guess. I don't know, maybe somebody's sitting in the bathroom pounding sand or something. I'm not really that cute though. So I don't know what the hell they're up to. So you may or may not see me back on Facebook. I do have a TikTok account. That's Grumpy's Outside Garage. I thought I had an X account, but I tried to get on it today and it said I don't have an account. So I may set up an X account. I do have a Rumble account. So a couple other ways you could probably get a hold of me, or, you know, send me an email. I don't know. Facebook sucks sometimes. So, oh, by the way, whoever reported me without asking me first if I had been hacked, thanks a lot. Because if you wouldn't say anything, they probably wouldn't have, you know, done anything. But they pretty much canceled both of my accounts. And the bad part is, they said you can download your data. Well, let me tell you, that shit don't work either. So, everything that was on my my John Pavkovich account is probably gone. The other one, Grumpy's Outside Garage, well, I didn't even get started on it before they blew me out. So, anyway, so if you've been wondering, that's what happened. So, anyway, we'll get back to you again here, well, not today, but soon. I got to go put a Band-Aid on my arm. I lacerated my forearm, which is a daily occurrence around here. So anyway, we'll talk to y'all in a little bit or tomorrow, probably the next day. So it's not the next day yet.